the Hubsan X4 Pro. Now, I haven't flown this thing in a while, so this is one of the better of these small Hubsan quadcopters. And when you start the video, you'll see the little lights flashing in the back, right there, back and forth. The little red light. It's a little bit of breeze going, so it might dance around a little bit. I'm going to put the higher rate on. Okay, to do the flips, you just hold this button in and do like that. I'll show you again. Hold on. Let me get it out there. It's drifting a little bit. You hold that in and flip it like that. Yeah, it's a good flyer. Hopefully the video's working. That's what I want to be working, is the video. Okay. It flies nice, man. As you can tell. You can see it zips around pretty good. I'll put the flight time in there. Looks like it's going to rain again for the 179th straight day. Ah, did you see that? What the hell? I was wondering what the hell that thing was doing. It was not responding to the, I was trying to lower the altitude, so I think I might have been trying to, getting out of the range. And it just fell out of the sky. I was trying to pull it down, and it wasn't responding. So I probably lost the video, so that's not good. So I'll shut it off, turn it back on again and rebind it. So I don't know. I got up there high. I think I might have got out of the range and it wouldn't. The only response was the yaw. It wouldn't do anything else. It would spin around, but it wouldn't, and it would, it would pitch, but it wouldn't come down. It would only stay up there, and then it just dropped out. So I don't know what the story was on that, but I'm not going to hold it against it. It's a good flyer, so just one of them things. Maybe I can rebuild that video that was on there. We'll start some more. But I'm not going to go up that high anymore, okay? So we're not going to do that. At least not today. I take it out to that Pioneer Park. There's a lot more room out there. I'll see what the hell's going on with it. Test the range out again on it. Yeah, once I got up there I don't know what that was. It was about 70 feet or so. I think the battery's dying, guys. Oh yeah, I see the lights flashing. All right. Let me kill the video real quick. So at least we'll have some kind of video. Okay, at least we want some video. I always miss that pad. Damn it. Maybe I need to get that big giant pad so I would always be able to land on it. This is the smaller one. All right, guys, so there you go. You had the Hubsan X4 Pro plus a crash. We'll see. All right, we'll see. All right, guys, have a nice day.